Chapter 4, Weenie Wars, The Franks Awaken. Dogman in Weenie Wars, The Franks Awaken. One time at cat jail. Mail delivery time. Here, Fluffy, got your letter. Thanks. Here, Big Jim, you got candy. Yay! Hey, Petey, you got something too. Give it. At last. Rip, rip, rip. Living spray. Living spray being stuffed to life. Directions. Spray it on something. Watch it come to life and stuff. Warning. Contents under pressure. Keep away from flames and stuff. What should I spray it on? Then, lunchtime. Here's your food, Petey. Aw, hot dogs again. Hey. And so, shake, shake, shake. Oh, he's so cute. Hi there. Let's be friends. Let's not. Go get me the keys to this jail cell and make it snappy. Keys. Here's your keys. Gimme. Now I can unlock my jail cell. I'm free. Can we be friends now? Friends? Friends? You want to be friends with me? Ha ha ha. Oh, it's so sad. Oh, no. Meanwhile, hi, everybody. I'm back from lunch. Sproing. Stop it, Dogman. Stop. Lick, lick. Get off. No, cut it out. Stop. Enough. Quit it. Down, boy. Triple flatorama llama ding dong. Welcome back, Chief. Bad Dogman. Why do you always do that? You just saw me like 30 minutes ago. I hope you were not lying on my new couch. Cool. Cool. Warm. There's a warm spot on my new couch. And there's drool and dog hairs. How many times have I told you to stay off of my new couch? What do you have to say for yourself? Sweet, sweet. Hey, where are you going? Sweet. Hey, sweet. Dogman ran out of the police station. But why? Sweet. Ha ha ha. With this dog whistle and this megaphone, I can round up all the dogs in the town. Sweet. Soon, every dog in town came running. Sweet. Big dog, sweet. Little dog, sweet. Oh, he's so cute. The poodle from the pet shop. Zuzu, come back. Sweet. Even Dogman was not immune. Sweet, sweet. Get along, little doggies. That's right, in you go. Soon every dog will be in my trap, including Dogman. Meanwhile, back at cat jail. Stupid cat, I'll show him. Squeak. Boing, boing, boing. All of the hot dogs are cooked. Good, let's take a break. Boing. Shake, shake, shake. Arise, my army. Arise, I say. Come to life, my brothers and sisters. Join me, and together we shall rule the world. Ha, ha, ha. Vive la Weenie Revolution. The Weenies followed their evil leader out of cat jail and into town. All right, Weenies, time to take over. And so the Weenie War had begun. What the? We interrupt this comic for breaking news. I'm Sarah Hadoff with our top story. Petey, the world's most evilest cat, has captured all dogs in the city. That's right, they're all locked inside this cage. What do you plan to do with them? Watch and learn, sister. Tee-hee, click. Behold, the Mutt Masher 2000. Oh no, the pointy teeth thingies are moving down. Soon these dogs will be crushed. No way, Dogman will save them. Nuh-uh, Dogman is in the cage. It was true, Dogman was trapped, and all his human strength didn't help. Oh no, Dogman is doomed. Why was I so mean to him? There, Chief. Dogman will save the day, you'll see. Meanwhile, the Weenie War raged on. It looked like the end was near, but it wasn't. Oh, look, how cute. Say cheese, click. Hey, that one made a little campfire. Oh, how precious. Hey, those guys aren't afraid of us at all. What we need is some muscle. Ooh la la. ha! I'm gonna spray this giant gyro man. That's not a gyro. That's Philly, our cheesesteak mascot. Who asked you? Shake, shake. Soon Philly came to life. Hooray! With this gyro man under my control, the whole world will bow before me. Ha ha ha! Philly, don't be a gyro. Don't be a fool with your life. Meanwhile, Dogman tried to stop the crushy, pointy things, but his human strength was giving out. Oh, the caninity! How could things get any worse? I'll tell you how. Prepare to surrender because the weenies are taking over. Attack! Yeah! Roar! Oh, look! Little baby hot dogs are starting a revolution. We're not little babies. We're regular sized. Oh, how cute! Grr! We're not cute either. We're gangsta. Aw, that one started an adorable little fire. That's not an adorable little fire. That's a raging inferno of death. What do I have to do to get a little respect around here? Do I have to destroy everything? Suddenly, inside the Mutt Masher 2000, Dogman got a great idea. He reached into his shirt and pulled out a bone. Toss, clunk. Hey! Dogman reached for another. Toss. I'm warning you guys. Bonk. Hey, if you throw one more bone, I'm gonna clank. Bonk. Blunk. They're coming from that cage down there. Destroy that cage. All the dogs were now safe except one. So you think you're a tough guy, eh? You think you're smart, do ya? You think you're a hero, huh? Well, when I get through with you, you're gonna wish you were never, ever. Munch, munch, munch. Oh. Munch, munch, munch. But, hey, there's my living spray can. I better grab it before someone else does. Uh-oh, it's in the fire. Ow, hot, hot, hot. Uh-oh. Warning, contents under pressure. Keep away from flames and stuff. Kaboom! Oh, there's Dogman. Petey flew one way and Dogman flew the other. And all that was left was a bunch of little baby hot dogs. We're not little babies, we're regular sized. Yeah! We may have lost our leader and our giant gyro man, but we will never stop our reign of terror. We will destroy this town and build up hey, where did all these dogs come from? Haha, well, I suppose we should be running. Chomp, garf, smack, scarf, bump, chomp, spurk. Looks like it's a dog-eat hot dog world after all. But whatever happened to Dogman and Petey? Crash, boom, whack. Supper time. I got your food for you, Petey. It's a nice, juicy hot dog. Wah! Dogman flew through the air. Boom, crash. Oh no, Chief's new couch is ruined. Dogman? 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 Are you okay? Hip, hip, hooray! Ain't you glad Chief ain't mad at Dogman no more? I sure am. Hooray for Dogman! Refocus form. Name, Harold. Grade. First, teacher, misconstrued. I engaged in an unacceptable behavior by making copies of Dogman comics in the office. My behavior caused teachers to freak out. How will my behavior change in the future? Be more quieter when making copies of Dogman comics in the office. I am ready to rejoin the class. No, why? Too busy making Dogman comics. Student signature, Harold. Okay, that's all for Dogman by Dave Pilkey.